Segments brought to you by Tui Garden. To get some tips on how to maintain your garden over the holiday period, friend of the show Lucas de Jong has been with Tui's garden expert Hannah this morning. It's been such a good morning. Good morning to all of you. Morena.
We've got a special guest, JMO. We've got a special guest here. This is Flo, and this is Flo's garden. We just took it over for 8 weeks to come in here and do what we needed to do for the show here on Brekkie. But Flo, you bought this house in May.
Yeah.
Zero gardening experience, is that right?
No gardening experience at all.
So how's it been? We leave once a month and sort of come back. How has the maintenance side of things been? Has it been a bit scary, or you been okay?
No, I've been anxious. I think it's just a lot to think about, and I think because we've had zero gardening experience, we've just been it's been the highs and lows of gardening, which I think you mentioned before, of this amazing moment where you've got one strawberry and then suddenly a bird's eaten it. And so I was it's been incredible, but it's been a lot of learning.
Yeah, I mean, and there will be learning forever with this, right? Even those that have done it for decades and decades, someone will come up with some little bit of information and you'll be like, oh, I'll give it a go. But this is our last cross, so this is soon going to be all in your hands. No pressure. And I was going to ask you, this sort of area behind you over there, we've got a few things going to seed. The lettuce has been going really well. What would be your advice to Flo now in terms of using that space and filling it up for these hot months ahead?
Yeah, so definitely starting to remove some of those ones that have gone to seed. I mean, it's November in Auckland at the moment, so you could put some watermelon in, you could put some sweet corn. There's so many different things you'd be planting at the moment, whatever you like, but you could jump onto our website. We have a planting calendar, which has everything you need to know. You can put in there, it's November now, I'm in Auckland, what do I do? So yeah, there's so many options, flowers.
It's a very good cheat sheet, that, because you know exactly your zone and know these are exactly the things that I can plant. Do you eat sweet corn? Do you eat watermelon?
Yes, love those. I can't even imagine growing a watermelon.
Yeah.
Does it grow in the ground?
Grows in the ground. Grows in the ground. This is the expertise we're trying to address here in these big sort of shows.
Just from a seed, or?
Yeah, you can get seedlings. You can sow the seeds yourself as well. But yeah, they're perfect time to be planting watermelon for the summer. So
Hey, there's lots of other jobs for her to do. Everyone in the gardening world has 2 or 3 weeks where they go over in summer and things just turn and off it goes. And what are some advice for people over those weeks to just really stay on top of things?
Yeah, I mean, watering is so important. And as you said, you go away for a couple of weeks and, it's all kind of dry and sad. So, yeah, putting in some irrigation here would probably be something I'd recommend. Keeping the watering up, keeping the feeding up. But we do have a little goodie bag for you, which is for your summer planting.
Oh, my gosh, thank you.
Yeah, so this is a whole bunch of Tui stuff that you can use ongoing just to kind of give you the keys back.
Watermelon seeds!
There you go.
They grow from seeds? What?
In the ground?
Yeah, that's perfect. You got some rocket there as well if you wanted to replace that rocket that's gone to seed. We've got some liquid superfood, which you've been using anyway over the past few weeks. You can continue that up. Some saturate, that's perfect to help keep that water getting to the root zone while you're kind of busy over summer. Some seaweed as you keep planting, and some other tools, and some quash as well. I know you've said there have been a few slugs which you've picked out, but this will help keep those away. And just some general fertilisers for you.
That's amazing. Thank you so much. I can't go wrong now.
No, and you can always jump on our website or literally just give us a call. We can help. So,
and Flo, I've actually prepared something over here for you. These are all your laterals that I pulled off your plants that you'd forgotten to do over the last month.
Oh, aren't you nice?
That's you just use that as a little reminder. Those could be new plants if you wanted, but those are really cool. And remember, although Hannah lives in Tauranga, I live not far, so I'll just pop by every now and again and critique everything you're doing, because that's what you do in the garden, isn't it?
So good, Lucas. So good.
Back to you guys.
Oh, watermelons. You planted a watermelon. Is it going okay?
I don't know.
Don't know.
For the first time attempt at watermelons, so I just put one and we'll see how it goes. I can post it.
Hey, Chris, a few feedback on the marrow, though.
Oh, yeah, go on.
Yeah, that you can carve it out and then you'd put in mince.
Yes.
You put on some cheese on the top,
Roast
mashed
it.
potato and cheese, stick and roast it.
Yeah, just to be clear, I do still want the courgettes, but I just thought because they grow so impressively, it would just be...
You just want to see how...
Because, you see those news stories about people with the biggest pumpkins and they enter competitions and things. I'm just saying,
it's not competitive at all.
A courgette comp maybe sometime later on in the summer.
Comp?
Yeah, exactly. Anyway.